How to turn off iPhone bump. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you don't like when two iPhones connect with each other and there is a slight bump on your iPhone, then in order to disable it, launch the settings application on your device. Here tap on general and then tap on the airdrop option you see there. Here you will see the option for bringing devices together. So if you want to turn off the bump, simply toggle off the toggle button for bringing devices together, and with this, you will no longer feel the bump when you bring two devices together. So this was about how you can turn off iPhone bump. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.